So guys, it's me Daniel here, back here on another video, another Tank Engine Blocksworld video. And today in this video, we're going to be talking about Thomas and his friends, and all the different things I did to them. So yep, they both have it inside. Well, here's the doors. I put doors right there so I can show you something. Alright, so the reason why I put the doors right there is they open and they close. Open, close, open, close. Anyway, here's James and Edward right there. I also gave them changes too. I also made James and Edward tall. I might do it to Gordon and Henry. And oh yeah, and today we're gonna be looking at Donald and Douglas. Oh yeah, you might be thinking like what different things I did to the doors. Oh yeah, I did. Oh yeah, I was seeing like those other Blocksworld there's like their doors open and close. So and the subway trains and like some other stuff. So I want to try doing it to my Thomas the Tank Engine Blocksworld characters. So here's Donald and Douglas right there. Here's the three wheels. Oh yeah, I made this out of James's body. So I made Donald first, and then I pressed copy and I put like the other twin down there. So yeah, we're not only gonna look at him, we're also gonna look at Annie and clarabel. Yeah, here's Annie and clarabel. I also did different changes on them too. That means the doors open and close. Oh yeah, there's also indoor. And I also put its seats and stuff in there too, where passengers can sit down. So yeah, here's the window. Here's the doors and all this stuff. So anyways, let's see what other stuff. Alright, so anyway, yeah, I believe that's it. Let's look at my my real life Thomas the Tank Engine model too. Where is he? Okay, I see this one, but this is not only we're gonna talk about. We're gonna be talking about where is it? Oh, there it is. Yeah, I also did some changes in Thomas and Percy too. Oh yeah, Percy already have like an open door that I remember putting in. So anyway, here's the windows. I also gave Thomas some doors to open and close. And I also did changes on the real life engine too. So anyway, here's the indoor. Here's the glass and stuff. So yeah, I did want to make some open doors for all the engines. So like probably you can put like little conductors, like little drivers in there, like this guy right in there. Let's just put him inside right there. Alright, there we go. I was finally driving Thomas the Tank Engine in his real life form. So yeah, anyway, I believe that's all for today. And if you guys like this video, don't forget to like and subscribe. And I'll see you next time in another video.